Hi guys, in this video I will be talking about how you can find videos that have been copied and how to take them down. So this video is dedicated for people who have their own YouTube channels. And if you are interested in more content like this, please consider subscribing to the channel and hitting that notification bell. So I am in my dashboard and I have found this is the easiest way is if you go to copyright, and here you will be able to see the different videos that have been identified to your existing videos. Alternatively, obviously you can sometimes do manual search, and maybe not all of copied videos will be found by YouTube algorithm. Maybe sometimes they will change the voice or something like that, and then YouTube might not find them. So you can also find them manually, but this automatic feature is very useful as well in case you have many different videos and you do not want to go one by one and see if there are any people who have copied your video. So we'll take this first video as an example. So you can see here also the basic statistics, the total number of views. So that means that potentially some of these views would have gotten to me. Then the date when it was uploaded, the channel, and then the match, so 90% of the video. And then I have the different options, so move to archive, request video removal, and contact channel. So you can also investigate these. So let's go here, and I will mute this immediately. So you will be able to see this is the video that has the copyright strike. Let me pause that, and then this will be the video. I think that's my video. Yeah. So there you go. This, as you can see, it's 4 minutes and 3 seconds. It has almost 18,500 views, and this is the new video. And if I press play, you can see that the person is talking, and then from 23rd second here, if I would unmute, you would hear that it's me talking, and you can see the whole screen here. It's exactly the same. And let me see if there is an outro as well. Yeah, so you can see that he has also added a few seconds of black screen, but basically the whole video is here. You can see that that's how my video will end as well. So yeah, you can see exactly the same screen. So basically he has added a short introduction, and then at the end they have also added a short outro of their own as well. And if you go to their channel, then you can also see most likely all of the videos will be done in the same way. So for example, you will go here. In this case, you can see that they have created their own thumbnails. Sometimes you get channels that even copy the thumbnails as well, and they have changed the keywords slightly, but still the video is ripped off. So you can see here is another guy or another tutorial. You will see the same person talking at the beginning, and then it will jump to another person's video that they have simply copied and pasted as well. So this can be very frustrating because you spend time and energy putting into the videos, and then someone else just copy paste them. So there are two things you can, or two ways how you can solve this. First of all, you can press here on these three dots and press report. And alternatively, you can also go here and request video removal. And then this will open a form which then you would have to fill out. So for example, here the first part is already filled out. Location of infringement, it has identified, and it has identified my own video as well. If I would do this manually, I would select infringes my right, choose one, copyright issue, and then this will bring up a new page. Submit copyright takedown request, and then you would have to fill out this manually. So this means that you would press add video and so on and so on, and then simply submit after filling out this form. So I hope that this tutorial was useful. As I said, you can easily find the videos going through the dashboard that YouTube algorithm identifies that have your videos copied. So I think that's very, very useful tool that YouTube has created. If this has helped you at all, then hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and check out my other videos as well. I'm always uploading new content, and if you have any questions or suggestions to my next video, then please write them in the comment section. I try to read through all of my comments and answer if you have any question. See you guys in the next video.